Hey explorers, let's charge up your English with smart alternatives to innovative, a word for fresh ideas and bold thinkers. Inventive, create and good at thinking of new things. She is an inventive designer with original concepts. Groundbreaking, something that's never been done before. The team launched a groundbreaking solution for rural tech. Pioneering, leading the way in new areas. Their pioneering research changed medical science. Cutting edge, the most advanced and modern. They use cutting edge AI to improve efficiency. Original, new and not copied. His original thinking earned him recognition. Keep your vocabulary as innovative as your ideas. Subscribe for more standout words.